You're looking at a failed crash test. The car, a Maruti Suzuki Espresso, received a rating of 0 stars for failing to protect passengers in a head-on collision. It's one of many cars sold in markets with relaxed safety standards, such as India and South Africa. So, what exactly makes this car unsafe? In the test conducted by Global NCAP, the Espresso was driven at 40 miles per hour into a metal barrier. The documented results reveal just how much damage the test dummies inside took. Red shows parts of the dummies that had little to no protection, and there's clearly a lot of red. What makes a car like the Espresso so dangerous is the number of basic safety features it lacks. First, it provides only the driver with an airbag. In contrast, a 5-star vehicle like the Tesla Model 3 features full-size airbags for both front seats as well as side airbags for the rear seats. That's because they're effective and prevent severe impact and stress on passengers during a crash. The test results support this. Even though the impact is concentrated on the driver's side, the passenger dummy had worse injuries to its chest and neck. The Espresso also lacks seatbelt pretensioners. These are systems that force the seatbelts to lock into place on impact. The fact that they're missing can be seen in the way that the dummies snap forward with little resistance. According to studies by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, a front passenger has a 12.8% lower fatality risk if their seatbelt is equipped with a pretensioner. But the most important thing missing from the Espresso is an effective crumple zone. This is the section at the front of the car designed to crumple and absorb the majority of impact, while simultaneously redirecting energy around the cabin. With a narrow vehicle like the Espresso that has an extremely short front end, there's little separating the passengers from the impact point of a crash. Compare that to the 5-star rated Tata Altroz, a similar hatchback that's almost a foot wider and over a foot longer. With more area up front to absorb the same exact crash, the Altroz's front seat dummies were nearly unharmed. All of these